Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add links to your Squarespace navigation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate external or internal links right into your website's navigation menu, giving your visitors easy access to the resources, pages, or websites you want them to see. This is especially useful if you want to guide visitors toward high-value pages, promotions, or partner sites. Whether you're linking to your shop, a blog, or an outside resource, this powerful little skill can really make your site more interactive and user-friendly, while also improving navigation and overall user experience. Let's jump right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to go to Squarespace and log into your account. If it's your first time, don't worry. The interface is intuitive, and you'll be guided through with clean visuals that make it easy to understand where everything lives. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you can manage all your sites and settings. Think of this dashboard as your control center, the place where you can launch any task to update or customize your website, from design changes to navigation updates like the one we're covering today. Next, click on your website. You'll likely see a list of sites if you manage more than one, so make sure you select the one you want to edit today. This is especially common if you run multiple brands or test sites. Once you have it open, you'll be taken straight into the back end of your site, where all the magic happens. This is your chance to fine-tune your online presence and make everything work just the way you want, without affecting what visitors see until you're ready. Now go ahead and click on Pages in the Squarespace menu. The Pages section is pretty central. It's where you control the layout of your site and organize what visitors see when they navigate around. Here, you'll see all of your site's main sections and navigation items displayed in an organized fashion. If you've set up multiple navigation menus or submenus, those will appear here too, so everything is easy to locate. This makes it simple to plan out your site structure and decide where links will be most effective. Here's where things get hands-on. Hover your mouse over the navigation item or subheader where you want to add a link. This could be something like blog, shop, or any custom section you've created for promotions, resources, or collections. You'll notice that as you hover, a small gear icon appears next to the page or header. This gear icon is your gateway to the settings for that navigation item. It's sort of like the Details button that lets you get under the hood and make tweaks without needing any technical skills. Click the gear icon, and you'll see a settings panel pop up. In this menu, you'll find a field called URL slug. This is where the magic happens. You can insert the link you want your navigation item to point to, which gives you a lot of flexibility in how you guide traffic. If you're linking to another page on your website, just type the page name or copy the relative URL. If you're linking to an outside site, paste the full URL right here, making sure it starts with the proper format so it works correctly. To give you a real-world example, imagine you want your shop navigation item to take people to your Etsy store. This is a great option if you sell on multiple platforms or want to test external marketplaces. All you need to do is paste your Etsy URL into this slug field. Save your changes, and your navigation is instantly connected. Don't worry if you're not sure which link to use or if you copy the wrong one at first. You can always come back and update this field later. It's quick and easy, and nothing is permanent until you decide it is. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're double-checking links or setting up multiple new navigation items. That's totally normal. Just take your time and think about where you want your visitors to go and what actions you want them to take next, whether that's browsing products, reading content, or visiting an external page. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? With just these few steps, you've added powerful links to your Squarespace navigation. Now your visitors can explore your site more easily or jump over to anywhere else you want them to go, which can help increase engagement and conversions. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to leave any questions or your own tips in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys and learning what you're building. And make sure you subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy building!